Try natin yung LAN to fiber. Fiber to LAN network connection kung magigisang successful. Yan ang bagong setup. Fiber to LAN, LAN to fiber. Yan, gamit ang media converter. I-pass through natin gamit ang LED, lead light, fiber optic. Papuntang media converter, which is fiber to LAN network. Ito na yung ating modem.